Hi, I'm Dr. Dan Shapiro. I'm a plastic surgeon certified by the American Board of Plastic Surgery. I've been practicing in the Scottsdale, Paradise Valley area since 1992, and all I perform is cosmetic or aesthetic plastic surgery. One of my most common and favorite procedures is rhinoplasty, or a nose job. I have patients from all walks of life, from all ages, come in and ask what I could do for them in terms of their nose, reshaping it and making them breathe better. I have a lot of parents that come in with their kids and want to know whether or not their child is a candidate for rhinoplasty and what age is a good age to have that performed. Generally, we like to have somebody who has developed somewhat a mature body image profile, and I try to screen and make sure that the motivation for the rhinoplasty is really the patient and not the parents. So for that sake, I like to see some emotional maturity. In terms of physical development, generally the age that we'd like to cut this off would be the latter 15 to 16-year-old is about the youngest that I'll perform a rhinoplasty on. Why? Because that tends to be when people are developed physically. They tend to have fusion of their bones and have much more predictable anatomy that will not change over time. In patients that are younger, there are other procedures that we can do with younger patients. For instance, having someone's ears pinned back. You can do that at 6 or 7 or 8 years old. But the nose, we like to wait till they're about 15. I also like to make sure that someone, again, is emotionally mature enough to understand the process, to understand what we will be doing, what the recovery will be like. But I think that I like to have a team effort, if you will, with the parents and the child, and I approach the child in the same way that I address an adult. I like to have someone come in and we take photographs and image the nose to show you what I think that we can provide for you. And I also like to have that patient, both the mother and the father or the child, bring in photos of noses that you like, because I like to see what your taste is, because it's a very personal procedure and it's not something that I should impose upon you, but it's a team effort with team vision, and I think the results can be really outstanding. So any questions, come in for a consultation. Thank you.